The 2002 20 euro cent coin is one of the most recognized coins of the euro currency system and represents an important part of modern European monetary history. This coin officially entered circulation in 2002 when the euro became the common currency of many European nations. The 20 euro cent coin has a value equal to 1/5 of €1 and is widely used across the Eurozone countries. It is made from a special alloy called Nordic Gold, a unique metal mixture containing copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin. Despite its golden appearance, the coin contains no real gold, but the alloy was specially designed to give the coin durability, resistance to corrosion, and a distinctive attractive color. The coin weighs approximately 5.74 grams, has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, and features a smooth edge with 7 indentations often described as the Spanish flower shape. Wikipedia. The reverse side of the 2002 20 euro cent coin features the common European design created by Belgian designer Luc Lykex. On this side, the denomination 20 euro cent appears beside a map of Europe, symbolizing the unity and economic cooperation of European nations. The original 2002 design displayed the first 15 member countries of the European Union separately, reflecting the political geography of Europe at the time. 12 stars surround the design, representing solidarity, harmony, and unity among European countries. The initials LL near the denomination stand for the designer Luc Lykex. In 2007, the common reverse design was slightly modified to include a more connected map of Europe after the European Union expanded, but the earlier 2002 version remains highly collectible among coin enthusiasts because it represents the first generation of euro coinage. Wikipedia. One fascinating aspect of the 2002 20 euro cent coin is that every Eurozone country issued its own national design on the obverse side while sharing the same reverse side. Germany, for example, featured the famous Brandenburg Gate, a symbol of reunification and peace. Italy used Umberto Boccioni's famous sculpture, unique forms of continuity in space, representing modern art and innovation. Ireland displayed the traditional Celtic harp, one of the oldest national symbols of Irish culture and heritage. Austria selected the beautiful Belvedere Palace, reflecting the country's rich architectural history. Vatican City issued coins featuring Pope John Paul II, making those versions especially popular among collectors due to their lower mintages and religious significance. Euronomy plus 4. Collectors around the world admire the 2002 20 euro cent coin because it marks the beginning of the euro era. For many Europeans, these coins represented a historic transition from national currencies such as the German mark, French franc, Italian lira, Spanish peseta, and Irish pound into a single European currency. This monetary union symbolized deeper political and economic integration across Europe. Millions of people experienced a dramatic change in their daily financial lives as old national currencies disappeared and euro coins entered circulation. The 2002 dated coins therefore carry historical significance beyond their face value because they represent the birth of one of the world's largest currency systems. Wikipedia. The value of a standard circulated 2002 20 euro cent coin is usually close to its face value unless the coin possesses rare characteristics, exceptional condition, or minting errors. Coins in uncirculated condition or special mint sets can be worth more to collectors. Some countries produced lower mintages, making certain national versions harder to find. Vatican City and Monaco euro coins are especially famous for commanding higher prices because they were minted in much smaller quantities compared to coins from Germany, France, or Italy. Certain rare minting varieties and errors can also increase collector interest. For example, discussions among collectors have highlighted unusual map varieties and minting mistakes on some euro coins, though many supposed rare coins found online are often ordinary circulation pieces without significant value. Euro Coins Catalog, Com plus 3. The coin's Nordic Gold composition is another interesting feature that attracts collectors and historians. Nordic Gold was specially developed to provide durability and resistance to tarnish, while remaining inexpensive to produce. The alloy is also difficult to counterfeit because of its electromagnetic properties, making it suitable for vending machines and automated systems across Europe. Even after many years in circulation, most 20-euro-cent coins retain their recognizable golden color and detailed designs. The special 7-indent edge design also helps visually impaired people identify the denomination by touch. Wikipedia. The introduction of the euro in 2002 was one of the most ambitious financial projects in modern history. More than 300 million Europeans across multiple countries began using the same currency almost overnight. The 20-euro-cent coin became part of daily transactions in supermarkets, transportation systems, cafes, vending machines, and businesses across Europe. Over time, these coins traveled widely between countries, allowing people to encounter different national designs in their everyday change. A German coin could easily appear in Spain, Italy, or France, symbolizing the freedom of movement and interconnected economy within Europe. Wikipedia. Today, the 2002 20-euro-cent coin remains a favorite among coin collectors, especially beginners who enjoy collecting different national obverse designs from across Europe. Many collectors attempt to assemble complete sets featuring every country's version of the 2002 issue. Others focus on mint marks, proof editions, or rare varieties. Because the coin represents the very first circulating euro coinage, it continues to hold strong sentimental and historical appeal. Even though most examples are common, the historical importance of the 2002 Euro series ensures lasting interest among numismatists and European history enthusiasts worldwide for beginning coin collectors. The 2002 Euro Cent series offers an exciting and affordable entry into international numismatics. Because every participating country issued its own design, collectors can build large and visually diverse collections without spending enormous amounts of money. Many hobbyists enjoy organizing albums containing coins from Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Portugal, Greece, Austria, Finland, Belgium, Ireland, Luxembourg, and smaller issuing states like Monaco, San Marino, and Vatican City. The search for complete country sets creates a fun and educational collecting experience connected to European geography, culture, and history. Today, the 2002 20-euro-cent coin stands as a lasting symbol of a major turning point in modern financial history. It represents not only monetary value, but also cooperation, identity, technology, culture, and political transformation within Europe. More than 20 years after its introduction, the coin continues circulating through millions of hands, while also holding a respected place in coin collections around the world. Its historical importance, artistic diversity, and connection to the birth of the euro ensure that the 2002 20-euro-cent coin will remain an important collectible for future generations of numismatists and historians alike. The artistic beauty of the 2002 20-euro-cent coin is one of the reasons it became instantly recognizable throughout Europe. Each national design reflects the identity, culture, and history of its issuing country, while maintaining a shared European reverse design that symbolizes unity among nations. This balance between national pride and continental cooperation was a major theme behind the euro project itself. For example, the Spanish version of the coin features Miguel de Cervantes, the world-famous author of Don Quixote, honoring Spain's literary heritage. Finland used the heraldic lion from the Finnish coat of arms, representing courage and sovereignty. Belgium featured King Albert II, while the Netherlands displayed Queen Beatrix, connecting the coin directly to national monarchy traditions. These artistic choices transformed ordinary currency into miniature pieces of national history and culture, carried daily in people's pockets. The process of introducing the euro coins in 2002 required extraordinary planning and coordination among European countries. Billions of coins were minted before the official launch date to ensure a smooth currency transition. Governments, banks, businesses, and citizens prepared for years in advance. Old currencies had to be gradually withdrawn, while new euro coins and banknotes entered circulation simultaneously. Special starter kits containing euro coins were sold to the public before the launch so people could become familiar with the new money. The 20 euro cent coin quickly became an important denomination because of its practical use in everyday shopping, transportation fares, and vending machines throughout Europe. Many collectors are particularly interested in mint marks and production details of the 2002 20 euro cent coin. Different national mints produced coins with tiny identifying marks that reveal where the coin was manufactured. Germany, for instance, uses several mint marks including A for Berlin, D for Munich, F for Stuttgart, G for Karlsruhe, and J for Hamburg. Collectors often try to complete full mint mark sets from a single year. Rare proof versions struck with highly polished dies are especially attractive because of their mirror-like appearance and sharp details. These proof coins were generally produced for collectors rather than everyday circulation and are often preserved in special presentation cases or annual mint sets.